Hi students, how are you today? I hope you always happy, healthy, and enjoy your life while the pandemic COVID-19 is scared for us. And I'm so very happy today because we can meet again even though in the online class. And today our material about asking and giving opinion. But before I explain more to you, I want to tell you about the basic competence and the indicator.
Basic competence: expressing the idea in a transactional, interpersonal, and sustained conversation accurately, fluently, and communicatively in daily life contexts, involving the expression of asking and giving opinion. The indicator: first, students are able to list the expression asking and giving opinion from the conversation. And the second, students are able to complete the conversation with suitable expression. Now, let's move to the material.
In our daily life, we must have an opinion on something that we see, feel, and hear. Either opinion supports or contradicts one another. Next, the definition of asking and giving opinion. Asking or in bahasa is menanyakan, giving in bahasa is menjawab, and opinion in bahasa is pendapat atau opini. Jadi, asking and giving opinion adalah suatu ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menanyakan, menjawab, atau merespon suatu pendapat. So, we can find asking and giving opinion is an expression used to ask or answer or respond to an opinion. Examples of asking and giving opinion. In my opinion, in my experience, I think according to me. The examples of agreeing with an opinion. Of course, I agree with this opinion. I agree with what you are saying, and I couldn't agree more. Next, the example of disagreeing an opinion. I disagree with you. I think you are wrong. I don't believe that. And I'm sorry, I don't agree with you.
What a beautiful day. Did you know Sweden was voted the best place in the world to live?
Sweden? I wonder why it was voted the #1 place in the world to live.
I read that it's really safe and clean.
I've never been to Sweden, but in my opinion, Canada seems like the best place to live.
What makes you think that?
Well, first of all, it's also safe and clean like Sweden. There are lots of parks and nature.
Yes, that's true, but it's really cold.
Yes, the winter is cold. The summertime is perfect.
The price of living in Sweden is also reasonable compared to other countries in Europe.
I think Canada is also pretty reasonable.
Yes, I agree. I went there last year and the hotels and restaurants weren't very expensive.
Everybody is really friendly and outgoing as well.
The food is quite tasty too. There's a great selection of international foods.
I want to move to Canada someday.
Now, I have an assignment to you. I want you to make a dialogue about asking and giving opinion, and please submit it on tomorrow through the email.
So, that's all about our material. Please be disciplined, follow the government instruction, stay healthy, and may God bless all of us.